So maybe they find the bones or something, or it's not proper grave.
Okay.
So he moves and gives proper.
Okay, they just they find somewhere like
No, this is not good.
They just
Give
move
proper-
here.
We give proper grave.
after 150 years.
150
Okay.
years.
Sebelum 1500 yang lalu.
150 tahun.
Kuburan sebelumnya di mana?
Somewhere. It's no, they don't write the words they
How
found
he
it.
found out their names? He found the bones, but he needs to find
I
their
don't know.
names somehow.
Fallen of my bizarre. Sure.
Ini langsung dengan Bang Nasrul ya saksinya, kita buka sejarah sedikit di sini.
Madam.
Madam Ana.
Not this madam. That scared me.
Bizayo, I don't know this one.
Yeah.
Bizayo.
But the name is, you don't know the name. They don't know the name.
These names.
His name?
Madam
Fun.
Van
Madam
Kempen.
Van Kempen.
Kempen and the
Husband?
where's it? Yeah, oh no. His
No.
husband and wife. All right. Yeah, he's French.
Thomas.
His wife is Dutch.
Thomas.
Yeah. Oh, no,
Kempen.
Thomas Van Kempen. Yeah. This
Yeah,
is
saudara ya.
Husband and wife.
Yeah, husband and wife. So married. Yeah. So wife of.
There is also
Thomas.
Kevin someone and
Thomas
Yeah,
Kempen.
exposed
Yes.
there.
So Madame,
Madam Van Kempen.
she's the wife of Monsieur.
But what is like later
Van Kempen.
after Kempen? What is Kyle? Or
Kyle.
Kyle.
Cal, maybe the family name.
Exposed
Yeah, maybe.
there. Monsieur Thomas.
Oh, born. It's
Ah, the
before,
one.
before she was married. So that's she was born. Okay.
Kale. In Kale.
Then he knows his.
Yeah.
He knows
So
everything
then
about
when
them.
she gets married, she becomes Van Kempen. She changed her name
Okay.
when you get married. Yeah.
Okay. But
Okay,
before his
so
Kyle name
she was born this name,
is Kyle.
maybe K, whatever it is,
Yeah.
and then she becomes the wife.
Madam
the
Van
wife
Kempen.
Van
And
Kempen.
when they married with the Thomas.
With Thomas.
With the Thomas.
Exactly, yes.
But here is for sure like a two people.
But
Yes,
they
there's
are-
two people.
Two
they're
people
Husband
here.
and wife. Yeah.
Husband and
they're
wife here.
residents.
Yes.
The Paul
That's where they came from. Yeah.
Okay.
Jean.
The
They're residents.
Yeah, here. Yeah, they lived on the island. They lived on the island.
Okay.
Yeah, that's Pulau is Pulau's island.
Pulau.
Wow.
Yeah.
Chin is this.
Pulau. Tingkua.
Cinco.
Pier
Is this
Fortan.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fortan.
Yeah.
Fortan.
Pier.
Pierre Fortan, the guy who found
Family.
no, the guy who found the
Yes.
bone is Pierre Fortan.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, that's very good information.
I think this is their hair, because like every rich family they had their symbol.